Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Friends, in this video we will discuss all the question of BCK that came in December 21 exam. So please watch the video till end. ठीक है तो let's see the first question. NABARD headquarter is located in, answer will be Mumbai. The headquarter of NABARD is located in Mumbai. And second, the institution that implements monetary policy of the government. The answer will be RBI, option A. And next, identify the incorrect statement in the context of RBI function. इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बोल रहा है आपको चूज करने के लिए. विच इज़ द नोट फंक्शन ऑफ RBI? ओवरसीइंग ऑफ मर्जर एंड एक्विजिशन प्रपोजल. आंसर विल बी A. And now let's see the next question. In first 4 decades post independence, for fueling of industrial developments, special purpose financial institutions were created. These institutions were called development banks. Okay, now let's see the fifth question. NABARD stand for full form of NABARD पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे. The answer will be National Bank for Agriculture and Rural Development. Now let's see this question number 6. CCI consists of a chairman and the dash appointed by the central government. यहाँ पे CCI में कितने members होते हैं वो पूछ रहा है. The answer will be 6. Which among the following is an attribute of economic activity? Economic activity इसमें से कौन सा है? ठीक है, they are driven by rationality. Okay, the answer will be A. Now let's see the question number 8. The term usual occupation in the context of business means infrequent transaction, isolated transaction, regular transaction. The answer will be C, regular transaction. Okay, with 2 shareholders and 2 directors, which company will be incorporated? Public company, 1 person company, private company. The answer will be private company. 2 shareholder and 2 directors. हमने लॉ में भी पढ़ा है ये 2 to 200 रहने चाहिए प्राइवेट कंपनी में मेंबर. ठीक है, नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 10. आइडेंटिफाई विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी. इनमें से इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटी कौन सा है? एक्टिविटी ऑफ इंगेजिंग इन कुकिंग फॉर लव टुवर्ड्स फैमिली. एक्टिविटी ऑफ इंगेजिंग इन कुकिंग फॉर सोर्स ऑफ लाइवलीहुड. यस, सोर्स ऑफ लाइवलीहुड. दिस विल बी द आंसर, ऑप्शन बी. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 11. इन केस ऑफ प्रोफेशन, द मोस्ट पॉपुलर साइकोलॉजिकल मोटिव इज economic achievement, livelihood, service to the client. Option C will be the answer. Now let's see question number 12. Which of the following is not part of BCK election? The answer will be Y to Z. B2B, business to business. B2C, business to customer, 24/7. Okay, so answer will be Y to Z, A. In a fast evolving and expanding sphere of knowledge, rate of knowledge obsolescence is extremely low, very low, low, high. The answer will be option D, high. In India, the erstwhile MRTP Act sought to check concentration of economic power in few hand. यहाँ पे बोल रहा है few hand, तो ये हो जाएगा आपका restrictive policy. The option C will be the answer. Okay, now question number 15. The question is FDI is prohibited in. FDI किस में नहीं हो सकता है? निधि कंपनी में. ओके, the question this question has come in last attempt also. FDI prohibited in. okay, last attempt में भी आया था ये question. Which is the oldest non funding institution set up in India for business? RBI. Answer will be A. okay, now नेक्स्ट, FDI इज़ नॉट अलाउड इन. प्लांटेशन में अलाउड नहीं है, एग्रीकल्चर एक्टिविटीज़ में. So the answer will be option C. Now question number 18. FDI in sector which require prior approval is identified as, देखिए जिसमें एक होता है ऑटोमेटिक रूट, ठीक है, एक होता है गवर्नमेंट जिसमें अप्रूवल चाहिए, उसे कहेंगे हम गवर्नमेंट रूट. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 19. रिडक्शन इन government ownership BSNL and MTNL would be, the answer will be delegation, divestment, displacement, disinvestment, reducing of ownership. ओके, ये एग्जाम्पल दे रखा है अपने इंस्टीट्यूट के स्टडी मटेरियल में भी, ठीक है, वहीं से डायरेक्ट ये क्वेश्चन आया है. नाउ लेट्स सी क्वेश्चन नंबर 20. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज नॉट फॉर्म ऑफ प्राइवेटाइजेशन? द आंसर विल बी डिपार्टमेंटलाइजेशन, ऑप्शन नंबर सी. Dash put an option means a stock price is above the strike price. The answer will be out of money. Using the telephone to contact individuals about an advertiser, product or service, or to get support for the cause is called. टेलीफोन पे कांटेक्ट हो रहा है, एडवर्टाइजर कर रहा है, टेलीफोन से कांटेक्ट कर रहा है, देन द आंसर विल बी टेली मार्केटिंग. ओके, अ ट्रेडिंग फैसिलिटी बाय विच इन्वेस्टर आर इन ए पोजीशन टू बाय एंड सेल 30 स्क्रिप्ट ऑफ सेंसेक्स इन प्रोपोर्शन ऑफ विच करेंट वेट्स इन सेंसेक्स इन वन गो इज कॉल्ड बास्केट ट्रेडिंग. 30 स्क्रिप्ट एक साथ में सेल परचेज कर सकते हैं. ओके, now let's see question number 24. With regard to marketing technology, which of the following is correct? Dividing the consumer into group based on different consumer characteristics is called market development. Niche marketing refers to exploitation of comparatively large market segment by business that decide to, ये नहीं होगा. The answer will be the USP is a consumer benefit that no other product can claim. USP, unique selling proportion, is consumer benefit that no. The answer will be D. Triple bottom line TBL gives equal emphasis of tribe P's. Their P's are, इसका ऑप्शन होगा A, profit, people and planet. Okay, bears are the stock market players that they have dash expectation: realistic, positive, optimistic, pessimistic. Option D will be the answer. Now question number 27. Simultaneous sale and purchase of identical commodity or instrument in two different markets to take the advantage of price variation in two different markets is called arbitrage. Option B will be the answer. Now 28. The bank that crossed milestone of issuing 2 million FASTag, highest in India, by October 31, 2019. The answer will be ICICI Bank. Now question number 29. The location of 4 refineries operated by Bharat Petroleum are located in. The answer will be B, Mumbai, Kochi, Bina and Aligarh. Now question number 30. Which of the following is the highest ranked Fortune 500 companies list in 2020? ये इंस्टीट्यूट का फेवरेट क्वेश्चन है, रिलेटेड टू वॉलमार्ट. इंस्टीट्यूट हर एक एटम्प में पूछता है. द आंसर विल बी वॉलमार्ट, ए. In October 2019, which company launched the world most expensive chocolate price 4.3 lakh per kilogram? The answer will be ITC, most expensive chocolate, ITC. Which of the following is the most recently incorporated company? The answer will be Flipkart, incorporated in 2007. Okay, which of the following statement is incorrect? Hewlett Packard is an American multinational information technology company. Apple is the world's largest mobile phone manufacturer. Apple is the second, फर्स्ट पे सैमसंग है. ठीक है, वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट मोबाइल phone manufacturer is Samsung. Second, analyst cloud Internet of Things are primary product segment of Intel Corporation, HP, IBM. The answer will be C, option C, IBM Corporation. Now let's see question number 35. A successful business has to identify, appraise and respond to various dash and dash in its environment, opportunity and threat. The answer will be D. 36. Event trends, issue and expectation are the outcome of environmental scanning. Okay. Intellectual property rights and copyrights is an example of which element? सी. इसमें बहुत सारे बच्चे बोल रहे थे टेक्नोलॉजी लीगल हो सकता है, बट द आंसर विल बी टेक्नोलॉजी. डी विल बी द आंसर. ओके. माइक्रो environment should address the following except माइक्रो इन्वायरमेंट पर्टिकुलर का बात करता है. ठीक है. देन आंसर विल बी डी, लोकल अथॉरिटी. 38 का डी. विकास डायग्नोस्टिक इंडस्ट्री विच इज़ हाईली कम्पिटिटिव एंड फ्रेगमेंटेड विथ सेवरल कंपनीज प्रेजेंट इन द मार्केट. ठीक है. इट्स presence is also restricted and over dependent on state, mostly in southern India. This is a sign of threat because highly competition, बहुत ज़्यादा कंपटीशन है मार्केट में, ये थ्रेट हो सकता है. ठीक है. रिवाइविंग मिशन ऑब्जेक्टिव goals are some examples of dash response, competitive administrative response. The answer will be C. Hope guys you like the video. This video will be helpful to you, so please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.